What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with Sogoodhair, and then I'm seeing the hair. Before we get to the hair, so I'm seeing a pair of lashes here. Looks really nice and more on the natural side. These will come in very handy. I get an extra like elastic band with some clips inside, and of course a wig cap. That's it for what's inside the box. So now let's get to the hair. So yes, we're working with some gorgeous chestnut brown hair today. I don't always wear these type of hair colors, but it's nice to try out new stuff. Don't know why I'm talking like that, but like, yeah, I don't always try out these colors. I feel like eventually I'm going to color this, like, yeah, definitely I'm going to color this eventually, but today I'm gonna rock it as is. I don't know, help me out on this one, guys. Which color you think I should transform this into next time I decide to put it on? Because I won't leave it in this color, but it's good to try new stuff, and so I'm just trying this color out today. I had a similar wig, a similar color the other day with another wig, but it had more like highlights in there throughout it. This one is more like of a thorough chestnut color. So yeah, definitely giving me more of that, you know, kind of girl that wants to dibble and dabble in color but wants to kind of play it safe. And this is definitely, that's the vibes I'm getting from this. It comes with some beautiful curls already, so I don't have to do much to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually get into laying the roots down, because I want to do a bomb flawless installation with this today. That's the vibes. So let's get into that. Oh yeah, and it comes with pre-bleached knots. It's also 180% in density, and the lace color is light brown. It does have adjustable straps like most wigs that I've gotten in the past. It has 3 combs on the inside and the adjustable straps in the back. Yeah, the delivery time on this also is 7 to 10 days. Oh, and the length of this wig is 20 inches. And I do have a code. It is SUE10. So if you're interested in going ahead and getting this here, the link to it and all of that jazz will be down in my description box, so you can check it out. So let's go ahead and jump into laying this, wiggling the roots and such. This is how the lace looks. It looks pretty dense. It is pre-plucked to a point if you look closely, but definitely I'm going to be going in and plucking more. Now, number one tip, if you are a beginner, if you don't know how to pluck your wigs, your lace fronts, anything like that, I do have a detailed video on that right now, so please go ahead and check that video out right now, please. It's linked in my description box, so check it out. I give you the tips and tricks of just making you get a natural look with your lace front. So I'm gonna just skip over that part completely, because I'm going to pluck it right now, and in the next clip you'll see when I'm done. I literally just realized that all along my mic was plugged out, guys. Like, I'm so bummed. So now I know that audio is not as strong, so I do apologize for that. Oh my god. I went ahead and, as you can see, I plucked the hairline further, and this is more my style. Definitely, it came with a parting on the right. If you know me, or if you took notice, you know that I don't do my side parts on the right side. I do it on the left, because I like when my hair is flipped over to the right. However, today I'm not going to be trying that side. No, that's not what I'm gonna say. I'm going to kind of pull back the middle portion. First, I'm going to be using my hot comb for this, and also like a flyaway tamer. Rub it along the base. It's pretty waxy, but once the heat is applied to it, it kind of melts, and then it gets this beautiful sheen that I love. basically onto this portion where I'm just installing the wig. And the first thing I pretty much do is, you guys can see, is just measure up, you know, if it's fitting my head comfortably. Usually most of the times I have to end up cutting off the sides, as you can see in the video, and that's what I went ahead and did. Now today I didn't plan on doing a no baby hair vibe, but once I started to lay the lace down with my got to be spray and everything, I realized how gorgeous this lace is. And guys, again, I did not tint this lace. I haven't been tinting my laces for the past couple of videos, and that's just amazing. That simply means that these companies are upping their game with their quality. And trust me, number one thing you look for when you're looking for a wig, apart from the quality of the hair itself, is a great lace quality. I decided to do absolutely no baby hairs today, absolutely no swoops, nothing at all. I just completely pulled back everything. I didn't even do sideburns, and I mean, you see that further down in the finessing. And I really love it. I feel like this wig is perfect. I feel like this color, because it's not that loud, I feel like it's perfect for the office if you have to go to work. That's if you know you're allowed to wear color to a certain point to work, because I know not all jobs allow color and such. So for all my ladies that are more on the toned down side, you want to try out color, I definitely recommend this wig. Like, it feels so good, and it's growing on me more and more. I'm still gonna color it the next time I wear it, just don't know which color. The feeling of it is nice as well. It's nice and full. Also, if you guys need a step-by-step detail like installation video, one that is very much geared towards my beginners, you can check out that video. I list it down below, and you can just check it out and practice. The meltdown is absolutely beautiful, so that's a plus. I'm all done with, you know, laying this wig. I just did a simple glam. I did absolutely no baby hairs, absolutely none, as you guys can see, and it looks pretty nice, you know. I just did complete pulled back vibes. And if, as I said before, if you need like a beginner friendly, this is an installation video, but I don't know if you need me to break it down a little bit more to you, then a video is up now on, you know, just step by step of how to install a wig. On that, I did minimal baby hair, just like 2 swoops. I didn't do much. Because as I said, I know there are people that, you know, they want to be able to rock a wig without all this baby hair or edges. That's the reason why I did this, because I can't tell when last I've done a wig, or if I ever, yes, I did a wig, I did a tutorial before of me not doing any baby hairs, but that was a long time ago. So I'm like, you know, it would be really cool, you know, while I was filming this, to actually do this without any baby hair. And I must tell you, the quality, it feels pretty good. The texture is on the coarser side, definitely, especially since it's been processed, you know, colored and stuff. So that was definitely a expectation. It catches me, you know, down here. See, the curls are really pretty, holding the curls really nicely. I really hope it was informative enough for you guys. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Leave your thoughts down below. Leave your suggestions. I see the suggestions definitely coming in, so don't stop. Keep on commenting them. Keep on commenting them. I really do appreciate the ideas. Yes, so that's pretty much it for today, and I'll put all the specifications and stuff down below in the description box. Go ahead, check that out. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel. Check out my latest vlogs and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and big up on yourself.